Hey guys, and thanks for joining me for another Quick Flights video. Just before the video starts, I want to let you guys know that I've been streaming on YouTube, and the next stream is going to be, if you're watching from the release of this video, tomorrow, the 25th of March, at 8:30 AM UTC, 7:30 PM Australian Eastern Daylight Time. I hope I can see you there. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to be doing a bit of Velocidrone racing in my tournament, and we'll see what happens. Alright, thanks for the ongoing support, and I hope you enjoy the video.
I see a future.